Are you looking for a townhouse in Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City? Malapit lang po siya sa Commonwealth Avenue and Don Antonio MRT-7 station. Here are the details of this townhouse. At the entrance, here is our 2-car garage. Tara, let's check naman po yung interior ng house. So here is our living area. Malaki po ang windows, kaya maaliwalas po siya at meron pong safety grills. Then here naman po ang dining area. Kasyang-kasya po ang 6-seater dining table. Then here naman po ang kitchen area. Naka-granite countertop na po siya at may kasamang cabinets. Then at the back, meron po tayong daily kitchen. Covered po siya. Then meron katabi pong storage area. Then beside the stairs, meron po tayong first toilet and bath. Tara, let's check naman po ang second floor. At the second floor, here's our master's bedroom. May sarili po siyang cabinet. At meron po siyang napakaluwag na master's bedroom. May sariling balcony po sa harap. At meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath. So here is our second bedroom. May sarili pong cabinet, may sariling balcony, at may sariling toilet and bath. Tara, let's check naman po ang third floor. At the third floor, meron po tayong deck. Meron po tayong mini family room. Then here's the third floor. Nandito po ang ating third bedroom. Meron po siyang sariling cabinet. Napakaluwag din po niya. May sariling balcony at may sariling toilet and bath. We hope you like this townhouse. For further inquiries, please contact us at 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.